morning, everyone. I, Sunishka Dashna, student of 12th Humanities,
This is Rahul Agarwal, student of 12th Science.
and both of us are here to commemorate the 34th Foundation Day of Central Academy Chittorgarh.
By memorizing our athletes, doings, and the laurels of past 34 years in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities.
मेरे हृदय करो परवेश जी, मेरे हृदय करो परवेश जी, मेरे काटो सकल कलेश जी, मेरे काटो सकल कलेश जी। तेरी जय 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 हो गणेश जी, तेरी जय 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 हो गणेश जी, तेरी जय 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 हो गणेश जी। लाल सिंदूर चढ़े गजमुख को, भक्तों के काटे हर दुख को। लाल सिंदूर चढ़े गजमुख को, भक्तों के काटे हर दुख को। होवे पूजा देश विदेश जी, होवे पूजा देश विदेश जी। तेरी जय 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 हो गणेश जी, तेरी जय 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 हो गणेश जी।
Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. Sports persons and players of Central Academy Chittorgarh has left no stone unturned to prove their mettle in every battle. Either be it is district level, state or national, our team of players have left everyone flabbergasted. Science is not only a discipline of reason but also one of romance and passion. Stephen Hawking reminded us why we fell in love with science. Its legacy is followed by sentiments. We have not only accumulated galores of trophies and certificates but also an unparalleled ocean of knowledge. Some of the feathers in our cap are We have been a regular participant since 2004 in National Children's Science Congress connected by Government of India, and we have got the honor of being the winner 9 times at national level. In addition to the above glory, we have also become proud winners at the following events: 2 times winner at Western Science Fair, 2 times winner at National Tech Fair, 1 time winner at Mewar Science Tech Fair. Our students are go-getters and are privileged to be honored by Shri Narendra Modi, Shri Ashok Gehlot, Shri Akhilesh Yadav, Shri Sharad Pawar, Shri Ashok Chavan, Shri Prakash Javadekar. Our work and researches have been lauded by various international magazines by honoring us a space in their reputed journals. Sentiments is also concerned with the downgrading of the natural resources and has constantly raised its concern for conservation of geological monument site and conservation of biodiversity, which is a core element of our environment. It was a dream project of our worthy principal sir, which was fulfilled on 5 September 2018. It was inaugurated by Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. Sangam Mishra and Shri C.P. Joshi ji, Member of Parliament Chittorgarh. We are pioneer in our district as well as among all the branches of Central Academy organization to establish Atal Tinkering Lab. It is the promotion for STEM, an initiative of Union Government to propagate science in the various cities of India. Most people say that it is the intellect which makes a great scientist. They are wrong. It is character.
Now, I would like to call our Vanti Principal Sir for showering his blessings.
Welcome to Central Academy Chittorgarh's 34th Foundation Day. Foundation Day is an important milestone each year where we show our gratitude for the wisdom, courage and commitment demonstrated by those who contributed to the establishment of the school. Our core beliefs about academic success is only possible with a firm but fair code of discipline. For the last many years, we have been achieving unparalleled success, but this year was a totally different one. Our students brought us the laurels and the crescendo of praises have been echoing in Chittorgarh district. We have produced district toppers in science stream with 97.8% and in commerce with 97.6% and humanities with 95.8%. 42 students have secured more than 90% marks. This was achieved due to proficient teachers and the hungry students who were docile, efficacious and eager to learn. We have been receiving continually abundant blessings from Reverend Chairman Sir and Honorable Director Madam. I hope we zoom ahead with same zeal and same team to attain many more achievements, as we believe that nothing is impossible.
Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chairman, Sir Dr. Sangam Mishra, to shower his blessing.
I congratulate the very energetic, very efficient and hard-working principal, Mr. Ashlesh Dashora, our valued staff members, beloved students, parents, guardians, and all our well-wishers of Central Academy Chittorgarh on the 34th Foundation Day. I convey my best wishes and blessings on this auspicious occasion to our capable and dedicated team and all our students. Central Academy has established a remarkable position in Chittorgarh in the educational sector. The school's CBSE results and its triumph in various other endeavors such as holding an important and award-winning role in National Science Congress, SPIC-MACA, sports and cultural activities are some of the great examples of its success story. For the last 3 years, this school has had district toppers in both the faculties of science and commerce. This year has been another feather in the crown, with 10th and 12th class students performing brilliantly with 97.8% and 97.6% being the highest scores in 12th standard, along with 42 students have scored above 90% in this session. Our devoted and dedicated team of Chittor is working hard to satisfy the parents and students in online classes during this COVID-19 pandemic. Once again, I congratulate all of you and wish you all the best for the years to come. Stay safe, stay connected. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for setting high expectations for our students and educators. You have shaped the conditions for our students and teachers to learn and succeed. We are forever grateful for your impact on the school.